so you know what you feel like.
It's here. It's good.
Yeah, so how does that feel?
Great. Yeah, that's awesome.
It pulls good, eh?
I'm gonna have to obviously edit a lot of the shaking and jiggling of.
Well, whatever you can do, right? It's just a rough ride.
It's all good fun though.
Yeah. So at the end there, that's about cruise, about 3,500. We're doing about 22 knots or something like that. So it's like I say, it's like a 17-foot boat, right?
Well, I did have a 17.5 one once. Way less power.
Yeah. I know. See, that's the thing is when it's up on plane, the boat is riding level. So instead of it bow being up and pushing through the waves, it's like a missile. It goes into them.
Wow, so that's certainly everything. I see you got your toolbox here.
Yeah. I got the toolbox.
So you came through Hopkins this morning at about this afternoon about 1:30.
You heard that?
Well, I was in my chair and I looked out the window. There you are.
Yeah, but I'm doing test runs and mileage runs, endurance runs, watching temperature, stuff like that. Keep her in good shape. So,
wow.
Yeah.
No, it sounds great.
Yeah,
especially from afar. Right? There's no mistake.
Oh, you can hear it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. A few people were complaining because it gets crackly, the exhaust. But what happens is once the boat gets at that speed, the exhaust comes out of the water. But you never, you don't see that on the TV show. You just see it. It's always on a.
Yeah.
So the exhaust is rumbling underneath, right? That's why people were saying it sounds like it's out of tune because it's crackly. No, that's what open headers sound like. But
I had the feeling when we took it out the first time.
Yeah.
That it was breaking down under load.
It was. Yeah, because then that's what we did. We had to tune the carburetor a bit.
Do you rich in the secondaries?
We had to slow down the secondaries for opening up. Here comes Richard, water taxi. No, that was water taxi. Fuck up there.
Here, I'll just.
because that's all they got at the dock. And then
Up at the shell or at the dock as well?
well, just at the marine dock, right? I was thinking that. No, that's why.
I probably pushed it forward. Jesus.
I better screw that down.
I was holding on for my life.
I better screw that down. Yeah, so we just tuned it to the 89.
It's rolling. pivot off the nose.